All right, hello everyone. Today I'm instead of doing a Marilyn Prill writing prompt for your assignment 4, I sort of used her template, but I wanted to have you specifically write about your memoir of COVID. Because, and I will get to it at the bottom, we're going to do something with it on Wednesday. So for your writing, I want you to think about our time of COVID from last March until now. Write down any strong memory from the past month. So again, it can be any one of these, a very specific feeling, like 30 seconds that you remember that was really an intense feeling, an overall feeling of the whole time, an event that happened on your own or with others, hopefully socially distanced, a conversation that might have happened, a surprising statistic. So maybe there's something that you went, wow, that's really amazing. Statistic wise, you can pull in some numbers and some graphs and things. A positive event, a really proud moment, or a reaction to something on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. And you can actually grab uh, that particular feed or that particular story and actually put it in your writing. So then I want you to write a first draft of this strong memory in any format. So your writing could be a circle poem where you start in the middle and you just write words and you circle out. It could be a straight up paragraph like you do, like your normal writing. It could be a picture or a screenshot with arrows and explanations. So if you have a graph, you could be like, okay, this is what this means, and this is what this means, and this is what I thought about this. It could be a graph with explanations, again. So maybe you want to take some Alberta statistics and say, okay, this is what it means. You can draw a stick person with then little thought bubbles about how they're feeling about COVID. Anything. So I just want you to write some things down, but don't feel like you have to write a paragraph in there. Okay, then leave it for a little bit, and then write a final draft through revising and editing. So go back, oh, I could add this in, or I could take this out, or oh, I should add in a better word here. So do that final draft, and then be ready to possibly share your writing through reading it out loud and showing pictures, if you have pictures, on Wednesday, October 7th, as we're going to create a COVID musical, and we're going to include some, but not all, just because of time, of your original work. So I'm going to do a bit of a thematic cross-curricular musical on Wednesday, and your stories are going to be the basis of this musical. But then, please bring a hard copy of your work to class on Wednesday on a piece of paper that you can hand in, so not in your journal. You can do the original draft in the journal, the first draft in the journal, but then bring it on a piece of paper that you can actually hand in. Be sure your name is on it somewhere, and I'm going to collect your original work for your 3103 COVID 2020 memoir book. So I'm going to actually do something with it. So I need to have the actual paper. I'm not grading it, but I just want to have it so I can compile it. Okay, so that is your writing assignment for this week. Enjoy.